Another day, another trip to the thrift store. This time I am looking for 4 things. One is a rice strainer or like metal sieve that I couldn't find last time. 2, a zipper, couldn't find that last time either. And then 2 new things. Hockey helmet for my son, something that I can use to make bells out of. It's for a home talk project. Let's see if we can find any of those things today. I thought these little night lights were really cool. They're from IKEA. One was a moon and a flower for $2.50 each. Good price, but I didn't end up getting them. I read these books as a teen or early adult, maybe it was, and I loved them. They had lots of figure skates and hockey skates, but unfortunately I didn't find a helmet and I did have to go buy a new one. Okay, this dresser, it had just come in and I could hear them talking about the price. I think they settled on $100, but yeah, it has potential to be a beauty, but I didn't pick it up. Do you see what I see? This is similar to what I was looking for cleaning lentils and rice, but I needed smaller holes. I just got back. I got a ton of things, nothing that I needed. Actually, no, I did get the stuff I needed for the home talk project, the bells. So I'm going to work on that this afternoon. And I got a whole bunch of other things. I spent $38. So yeah, I'll share with you when I get home here. Okay, I've got my pile of thrift store stuff sitting in a basket here, but I need to start using it, so I gotta share it with you. I ended up getting these snow pants for my daughter. They're really good condition. Unfortunately, they don't fit her, and although she loves pink, she's not crazy about pink snow pants. So I'll probably sell them just to, recoup some of my money. Always collecting baskets. I got this one here. And then this one must have had a plant or something in it, so I'll take that plastic out, but I do like the look of that basket. Mittens, I think these were $1 or $1.50. I always look for kids' mittens at the thrift store because, you can have extra ones for daycare and extra ones in the car, and for $1, mittens. I got this cute little pottery container or vase thing for $1. And I got some new essential oils from Mint. Lighten Up, which is grapefruit, eucalyptus, and lime. And then this one, Clean Home, which I'm really excited about, bergamot, mint, and cedar. And there's one more, the laundry one. Laundry Day. So I don't have a diffuser at home, but I saw this and I thought that I could put some little wood sticks in there with some drops of oil, or a friend mentioned she just puts like some cotton balls with a little drop. Yes, we're getting ready to go to Grandma and Papa's house. So, yeah, anyways, I'm excited to try that out. And this was $1. Isn't it so cute? It's kind of speckled. Show it up close. Okay, what else is in the tickle trunk here? I got this for my daughter. I'm not sure if it's going to fit her, but it's Carhartt. It's really nice. I can always sell it if it doesn't fit, but I hope it fits because it's really cute. And I got these 2 pots from IKEA, and they look really, really nice. I may keep these, or I may pot some of my plants in when I get rid of them. I'm always propagating plants and selling them, and it's fun. I like it. I enjoy it. It keeps my plants green and growing, and get a little cash doing it. Now the best find, like so pumped for this one. Is this not so cool? 2 dozen mini muffins.
I have one of these that I got from the bulk barn. That's the regular size, and it's 2 dozen, and it is perfect. You can get all your muffins done in one batch. I always kind of wanted the mini one, but never got it, so I got this for $10, and I am pumped about it. There we have it. Oh, and then I got these other little pudding containers, and I'll show you what I made with them. I had a couple home talk projects to do with my thrifted stuff, so I'll show those next.
Someone's really gonna kill me this time. My little guy would not have a nap, so I decided before I pick up my daughter to run down to the dump. I had to take some drywall to drop off, and I thought I'd check out the Reus shed. I got some things I'll show you. One of the things is big. It's in the back of my car. And I'm probably gonna get my head bit off, and I'm probably gonna have to bring it back, but that's okay. It's worth the maybe it working. Anyways, here's what I found. I gotta go get my daughter from school now before I'm late for that too. The red one, that's it. What do you think? Are we gonna get it to work? It's a full house in here today. There's a few things that I'm thinking about getting. This thing will be nice, but I can't carry it. Thinking about this though. Refinishing this little doll bed. Make a little blanket for it. It's tempting. It's tempting. That's kind of nice actually. I don't know what it's from. It's a nice little jar. Old school singer. For all it works. This is super nice. Drawer dividers. Nice wine rack. Dollhouse. And here's the second home talk project. I shared this table in the last video. I bought it off our buy and sell for $50. It was pretty scuffed up, but I put some TLC into it, and guess how it turned out. Here it is, all finished. Don't mind the fish tank bubbling in the background. And yeah, I really, really love how it turned out. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's so, so beautiful. So I paid $50 for this wooden table in the buy and sell. I did a bunch of work to it, refinished it, and I've listed it for $200. Wallpaper. I lined it with wallpaper in there that I had. I always try and share the things that I've flipped in the second half of my videos. So that table sold within 10 minutes for $200. And then I also sold the snow pants for $20. Bought them for $8, but someone's still getting a really good deal. And what else have I sold this week? I've sold some of the kids' older winter gear. So yeah, check back next time. I have a chair that I'm working on, that sled. Remember that sled? I'm gonna try and finish that for next week. And a couple other little things. I'm motivated to get some things cleaned out of my house. So hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time.